In Excel, if you want to plot your data into a chart, all you need to do is highlight your data or select your data, and then usually you just click the Insert tab and choose any of the charts available here in the charts grouping. However, there's a shortcut key that you can use to quickly insert a commonly used chart in Excel, that's the column chart, by pressing the F11 key. So in order to do this, we need to highlight our data and then press F11. Upon doing this, you will see a new worksheet in your workbook that contains a column chart. So if you just want to quickly insert a chart in Excel, highlight your data and then press F11.